Welcome friends to short questions and answers blood part 2. Explain in severe anemia cyanosis doesn't develop. Severe anemia means blood hemoglobin level below 6 gram percentage. Cyanosis means bluish discoloration of skin and mucous membrane. Now these two develop, one require at least 5 gram percentage of reduced hemoglobin, which is not possible in severe anemia. So in severe anemia, cyanosis doesn't develop. Explain blood doesn't clot in circulation. Reason number 1, smoothness of endothelial cell surface prevent contact activation of intrinsic clotting system. Second, glycocalyx layer on endothelium repel clotting factor and platelets. Third, presence of natural anticoagulant in blood, that is antithrombin 3, protein C, protein S. Fourth, prostacyclin inhibit platelet aggregation. Fifth, velocity of blood circulation. Sixth, fibrinolytic mechanism. Seventh, removal of activated clotting factor by liver. Explain endothelial surface factors prevent intravascular clotting. Smoothness of endothelial cell surface prevent contact activation of intrinsic clotting system. Glycocalyx layer on endothelium repel clotting factors and platelet. In this way, endothelial surface prevent intravascular clotting. Enumerate different blood group systems. So commonly we are doing ABO and RH blood group system. Other blood group system are MN, Kell, Duffy, Lewis, Lee, Lutherans, Bombay blood group system, P and I, Kidd, and many more. So in this question you try to mention 5 or 6 different blood group systems. Write names of different anticoagulants. We can divide anticoagulants in endogenous and exogenous. Endogenous, antithrombin 3, protein C, protein S, and heparin. Exogenous, ammonium, potassium, oxalate, sodium citrate, heparin, calcium sequester, that is EDTA, ethylene, diamine, tetra, acetic acid, warfarin, vitamin K, anticoagulant. Define Allergy. Allergy is acquisition of an inappropriate specific immune reactivity or hypersensitivity to a normally harmless environmental substance like dust, pollen, and that is known as allergy. Define immunity and classify immunity. Immunity is ability of human being to resist against all type of organism or toxins which tend to damage tissue or organs of human. Basically, we can classify immunity in two types: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is natural, which is present by birth. Example, mechanical barrier like skin, mucous membrane, certain secretions like gastric juice, saliva, tears. Adaptive immunity, which is acquired, means developed after birth. Further subtype of adaptive immunity: active and passive. In brief, active immunity due to subclinical infections and vaccines. Passive immunity by giving anti-tetanus serum, anti-diphtheria serum, anti-rabies serum. What is polycythemia? Poly means more. So polycythemia simply means increase in number of red blood cell above normal. Means when total red blood cell count is above normal, that is known as polycythemia. There are two types. One is physiological, second is pathological. Secondary polycythemia or physiological polycythemia, where total count is between 6 to 7 million cells per cubic millimeter and cause simply high altitude. Second, pathological, known as polycythemia vera. Here total red blood cell count is more than 7 million cells per cubic millimeter. Reasons: genetic aberration in hemocytoblast. What is normal blood volume? Around 3 liter, which is 7.5% of total body water. Write normal hemoglobin level. So here they have not specified adult or children. So we need to write hemoglobin level of children as well as adult. So by birth, HB is very high, around 20 to 23 gram percentage. Up to 3 months, it reduces to 10 gram percentage. In adult, in male, it is 14 to 18 gram percentage. In female, it is 12 to 16 gram percentage. थैंक यू। जय स्वामीनारायण।